Creating proposals that feel like a personalized pitch is one of the best ways to stand out to your clients. If you've ever felt like your proposals are just another boring document, today I'm going to show you how to make them engaging, unique, and truly reflective of what your clients want. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create proposals that don't just list your services, but actually speak to your potential clients' needs, making them feel like you're offering exactly what they're looking for. Let's jump straight into it. First off, you want to research your client thoroughly. The best way to create proposals that feel like a personalized pitch is by knowing exactly who you're talking to. Dive deep into their company, their pain points, and what their goals are. This way, you can tailor your proposal to directly address those aspects, rather than just offering generic solutions. Knowing what they value most makes the difference between a template and something that feels custom crafted just for them. Next, focus on the client's outcome, not just your service. Most proposals get stuck in the weeds of what the service is, how it works, and why it's great. Instead, frame it around the results. What will this do for them? How will their business improve or their life get easier because of your service? Use language that speaks directly to the positive changes they'll experience, not just the features of your offer. Now, let's talk about showing your value through examples. Include case studies, testimonials, or success stories that mirror what your client is going through. This builds credibility and makes the proposal feel more personal because you're showing real-world results that are relevant to their situation. You're not just saying, "This works," you're proving it. Then, move into the visual aspect of your proposal. Proposals that feel like personalized pitches are always visually engaging. Don't just send over a Word document. Use design elements that reflect your brand, but also keep the focus on your client's needs. Add relevant images, charts, and infographics that break down the key points you're trying to make. A well-designed proposal shows you care about how the client experiences it and gives your pitch a professional edge. Another way to stand out is by making it easy to read. Keep your proposal concise, easy to navigate, and free of jargon. Clients are busy, and if they're overwhelmed by your document, they'll check out. Break your proposal into digestible sections and use headings and bullet points to make it simple to skim through. You want them to be able to grasp your message quickly and see the value up front. And here's a bonus tip. If possible, make your proposal interactive. Using software that allows your clients to click through and explore different pricing options, packages, or features gives them a more dynamic experience. This helps them feel more in control of the process and gives them an opportunity to engage with your offer more intimately. Now, I know this all sounds like a lot of work, but if you're serious about creating proposals that feel like a personalized pitch, you'll want to get the right tools. I've tried all the most popular software for creating proposals, and the one I recommend is the software we'll be using today. I've got an exclusive free trial for you in the description below, only available to my viewers, so you can follow along and create proposals that truly stand out. Before we close off, here's the key takeaway. Creating proposals that feel like a personalized pitch is about going beyond the basics. You need to speak directly to the client's needs, show them your value in a meaningful way, and present it in an easy-to-read, engaging format. To recap, remember, research your client deeply, focus on their outcome, show your value with relevant examples, make it visually appealing, and keep it simple and interactive. And don't forget, take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description to start creating proposals that feel like personalized pitches. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.